demonstration of the ideas portal that I was working on this summer with my team for my Optum/United Healthcare internship. So to enter the portal, we're going to go here, click on this ideas. So you have to be a United Health Group employee or an Optum employee to log into this website. So I'm going to go ahead and submit that, enter my credentials. All right, so here's the home page of our website. If you click on this button down here at the bottom in the footer, you can see what languages we use to design the site. There's that. And this page pretty much just gives an overview of what you're going to see when you click on each, go through the website and look at each page. It just gives a quick overview of what each page does. A nice little welcome message here. But the one thing I wanted to point out is this add new idea button, and this will span the whole website. So you'll see this button on every page on this site. So if we click that, we can either create a new project or click one of these. I'm going to create a new project. All right, and then let's give it a title, demo. And you can either choose to save this as a draft, which means that only I'll be able to see this draft idea, and I can edit it later, and then publish it later if I want, or I can publish, which means that I will publish it to the website, and everyone will be able to see this idea, everyone that has access to this portal. So we're going to save that as a draft right now. There's a little toast saying we saved it. Oh, also, if you see down here, it says site documentation. If you click on this link, um, it will bring you to our idea site documentation page. And this just has pretty much an overview of our website, how we implemented it, just different things about the website and what we used, what you need to start it, things of that sort. But yeah, that's there. All right, now let's go into the public ideas page. So, like I said, if you publish an idea, this is where it will go. Here you can see everyone's ideas who has made an idea. Um, so down here it gives the author name of the idea, how many votes the idea has, the name of the idea, and when it was created. Um, you can also like these or dislike them. Let's see here. Oh, also, you can't vote on your own ideas, so you can see here that's disabled. And then if you click on one of these ideas, you can see that gives the description here of the idea, the author of the idea, and the name of the idea. You can also comment right here. Submit that comment, and then you have the option to edit the comment or delete it. So there's that. And there's also these filters over on this side, so you can sort these different ideas by the amount of likes or dislikes that they have. The time created, the ones the newest to the oldest, which ones have the most interaction versus the least. Then you can also filter these by status, and we'll go into what status means later, but ideas can have a different status, so this just shows all those there. We'll clear all those. All right, now if you go over to the search bar, you can search for certain ideas. So, and then you can click on those and view them there also. All right, now let's move on to the My Ideas portion. All right, so here is where all my ideas that I've created will be located at. So every idea that I've made will be posted here, or every idea that I published. And over here it shows my projects, and so you can look through all your different projects. Here's the one we just created, and as we can see, it has a draft idea here. We won't be able to see that yet, but we're gonna get to that next. Um, and then it has the same filters as the last page. All right, now let's go into the My Drafts page. So here we can see that here's that demo idea that we created. So here's a list of all the drafts that you made. So no one else can see this but you. But as you can see, you can have the option to delete one. So you can delete a demo if you want, or you can edit, and you can change the project if you want. We'll change it to EHS portal, and then we'll just keep this name the same, but you can also change these two fields if you want. Then we're going to publish that. So as you can see now, we won't be able to see that idea here. If we go to the My Ideas page, there's our demo idea. It just got posted. All right, now we'll move to the My Votes page. And this is where you can see ideas that you have voted on. So other people's ideas that you have voted on will all be listed here. You can also search through those, and it has the same filters as the other pages too. Now we'll go on to the status review page, and here's where I'll talk about status. So at Optum, we use a website called Rally, and here, as you can see, we can see all the tasks that our team has. So when we're working on something, oh, I'm sorry, it's taking a second to load. Here, maybe we'll refresh that. Well, anyways, we'll let that load for a second, but this is the Rally portal. Oh, there it goes. And yeah, here's the tasks of what we're like currently working on, and you can add these tasks if you're to a project that you're working on. And so what a status is these ideas will be able to be added into Rally if they surpass a certain like threshold and they have admin approval. So when you enter an idea, it will first be in the new status. That's what all ideas start as. And then if it reaches a certain amount of likes, then it will move to the in review process where admin can see that idea and they can decide if they want to move it to in progress or if they want to move it to not approved, if it's a duplicate idea or it's not really something that they think needs to be done. But if they do like the idea and it moves to the in progress, that is when an idea is in the process of being added to Rally. And once it gets added into Rally, it will move to the done column. And yeah, so here you can see that it just shows the name of the idea, the project the idea is in, description, when it was created, and the status of the idea. Oh, and another thing I wanted to mention, I haven't really mentioned yet, we wanted to make this web page responsive. So as you can see, no matter what your screen size is, the boxes will conform to that. All right, so now the last page we're going to talk about is the admin page. And not everyone can see this admin page. You can only see it if you're an admin, which will be managers or any higher ups in the organization. They're going to be the ones who can add to Rally, usually a team leader or a manager. I am not a manager or a team leader, but I gave myself this the option just for this presentation, really. All right, so you'll be able to select from in review ideas. What if you want to add one? Let's see, what do we want to add? We'll add this demo idea that we made. So you select an idea, then you continue, then you pick a Rally project you want to add it to. So this is the one we're going to be adding it to. And then a user story. We're going to do this intern one. Wait, sorry. There we go. All right, and then you can also assign this to a user, and if you don't assign it to a user, it will just get put as a no entry, which then a manager can later in Rally assign it to a user. We're not going to assign it right now, and then you can put the estimated hours that you think this task will take. So we're just going to put 3 for right now. We can finish that, and as you can see here, it says you have successfully added a task to Rally. We can confirm that. And now if we actually go into Rally and refresh this, might take a second. If we click on this no entry, we can see that demo idea has been added to this Rally task. The estimate of 3 hours. And then this part we have not been able to implement yet. Just wasn't quite enough time in the internship. But and in this section, you would be able to change the different idea statuses as we saw on the status review page. Oh, and one last thing I wanted to enter as we logged in. It says my name up here, so this will change depending on who logged in. But yeah, thank you guys for listening through this demonstration, and that will be all.